Hi, I'm Miranda, and my computer completely hates me. So I recorded my video, and I went to go to hook it to my computer so I could edit it and post it yesterday, and it says it's an unknown file type. So then I was like, okay, I'm going to use my webcam and try to record my webcam. So I recorded the whole thing on my webcam, and then I went to go edit and upload it again, and it says file type unknown. So now we're going to try a direct upload, which means I really can't do anything with my video because I have one shot, which is kind of nerve-wracking. Yeah. And also, YouTube hates me, so I've only been able to see Emily's video. So I'm just not having a good week when it comes to technology. It's been a long day. I've been at school all day and just grumpy. But last week we talked about school, and I didn't post a video last week because I was having trouble. But I am on my second year of college. My major is photography, and my minor keeps going back and forth. It's either going to be fashion and marketing or sign language. I just haven't decided on which one. Right now I'm going to a community college this semester, next semester, and then fall of next year I am hopefully transferring to the Fashion Institute of Technology in New York City. So that's my schooling stuff. Not very exciting, but what you gonna do? Yeah, this is a really short and horrible video, and I want to make good videos for you guys, but I'm having the worst trouble ever with all my cameras and everything connecting, and it's just one big annoying mess. So hopefully this works and you guys have some kind of video from me. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna go now. So I hope you ladies have an awesome week. And Emily, I will see you today. Yes, I will see you today. Bye.